Asus Zenbook 14 has got remarkably compact chassis and amazing performance. So this is one of those laptops that I have tested that I personally like to buy it for around $1200. So let us start its quick review. Here we have unboxed it and we are uncovering this. So this 14-inch laptop doesn't look as a 14-inch. It is a 14-inch laptop in 13-inch chassis. This color is silver with concentric circle brush metal finish at the top. So it looks beautiful, really beautiful. So let us look at the features of this laptop. The screen is 14-inch. It is powered by a Intel Whiskey Lake Core i7 processor, which is of 8th generation. It supports Intel UHD 620 graphics card with a memory of 8GB RAM, ranges up to 16GB RAM, and has 512GB of SSD. So it has got a 50 watt-hour of battery, which is very good. The keyboard looks good. The layout is standard with softly finished full-size keys, short arrows and miniatured function keys at the top. The webcam sits in the thin bezels. As I have tested it, the camera was not so impressive. Asus Zenbook 14 with its compact design and aluminum chassis is a sleeker and lighter in weight. It weighs around 2.9 pounds, which is a lighter one. As we can see here, just between the hinges, a super grill is been provided that keeps this laptop cool on heavy gaming also. This Zenbook 14 comes with a wide variety of ports. As you can see here, it comes with an microSD card reader, USB 2.0 and an 3.5mm jack, aux port with some LEDs to indicate battery level and power level. On the other side you can see a power port and an HDMI port, and USB 3.0 port, and importantly an Type-C port. So we are using it since 2 days. As we can see here, the palm rest space is less but comparatively okay. So you can hold your two hands and type easily because of the ergo lift. The laptop creates such an angle that the typing becomes comfortable. So the sufficiently large keys are good enough and very comfortable in typing. The ergo lift creates such angle that the typings becomes easy and comfortable. This laptop has got a unique feature, that is touchpad's integrated LED illuminated numpad, which can be activated by pressing a small icon in the corner. It is super convenient. When you press the button, a grid lights up on top of the surface, allowing you to type numbers and use mathematical function. The feature worked well in my testing, although I hope Asus adds some capacitive feedback in future editions. I tested its ergo lift, which worked fine, so you don't feel any difficulty while closing or opening your laptop. Coming to the conclusion, I have some highs and some lows. The highs are, it has an impressive build quality, great chassis, the build quality is robust, and it has got a solid productivity performance, which is impressive. The numpad is good for number crunchers, but everyone don't like that number pad. So lows are, display was not so impressive and the battery life are just average. Keyboard dock has too much of flex and the graphic option is not provided, which may disappoint some of the gamers. But overall, this laptop is a great package which comes at an aggressive pricing, so you will not get disappointed if you purchase it for $1,000 or $1,200. So that's all my review. What you feel, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.